Myself, Lakshmi Midwat. Today I am dealing with the first written revision of returns penalty and late fee. Refund of interest paid on reclaim of reversals due to mismatch. Where any reduction of output tax liability has been accepted on account of mismatch, the interest paid at 18% shall be refunded to the recipient or supplier as the case may be. It shall be claimed by the registered person in his return in form GSTR 3 and credited to his electronic credit ledger form GST PMT 5. Amount credited shall be available for payment of any future liability towards interest, or he may claim its refund. Refund filing rectification. If any action, error, or omission occurs in a return, can we file a revised return? No. Under GST laws, return cannot be revised, but it can be rectified in return of subsequent month in which such error was noticed, but no rectification of error or omission shall be allowed after furnishing of the return month of September following the end of the year financial year, or furnishing the relevant annual return whichever is earlier. Penalty for non-filing of return. What is a person fails to file his return on or before due date? If a person fails to file his return, a notice shall be issued in Form GSTR 3A requiring him to furnish such a return within 15 days. What shall be the penalty of not filing a return within a due date? Where any person who fails to furnish return of outward supplies, inward supplies, monthly return, final return within due date, he shall be liable to pay late fee of rupees 100 per day, during which such a failure continues subjected to maximum of rupees 5000. Where any person who fails to furnish annual return within a due date, he shall be liable to pay a late fee of rupees 100 rupees per day, subject to maximum of amount which shall be 0.25% of the total turnover in state or union territory. Return filing under GST. Do we have to file a return as prescribed from the July 1, 2017? No. Government has provided relaxation in filing of monthly return for the period of 2 months, that is July and August. Instead of filing monthly return in form of GSTR 3, every registered person can file statement in form GSTR 3B containing the information of all the inward and outward supply of goods services by 20th August for the month of July, 20th August for the month of August. Return filing under GST. The due date filing GSTR 1, GSTR 2 for the months of July and August has been changed through the notification 29 2017, central tax dated 5/9/2017. Month of July return is GSTR 1, revised due date is 10/9/2017. Month of July GSTR 2, 25/9/2017 is revised date. July GSTR 3, revised date is 30/9/2017. August return is GSTR 1, 5th date 10th 2017. August return is GSTR 2, revised due date is 10/10/2017. For the month of August, GSTR 3, revised due date is 15/10/2017. Thank you.